Hey, it's Ross. Chances are if you're watching this, you're in the real estate business. Well, welcome home to Monday CRM. With this fully customizable solution, oversee your book of business from A to Z, from contact management, listings, even ongoing property management. Let's check it out. This solution comes ready out of the box with a CRM to manage properties, contacts, any related tasks, and of course track all the data in related reports. You can fully control the property management side of the business and any maintenance-related transactions too. Let's first take a peek at the Properties board. See all important info on a property at a glance, including images, the managing agent, price, square footage, and bed-bath numbers. Diving deeper, see active properties, how many each agent is managing, even all the related contracts in one place. All of this is fed via the table view, where you can add new properties from here. Groups are broken down into new, sold, not relevant, or ongoing property management. Categorize your listings with status columns, and remember all of this is customizable. Add labels and change colors to suit your needs. Easily move properties through the listing stages with this status column. On the phone with a prospective buyer, quickly filter to see results for their needs like property type and number of bedrooms. Okay, visualize where properties are in the process in your pipeline view and easily move them along the stages with a simple drag and drop. Click open a property's 360 view for all relevant details at a glance. See prospective buyers or renters, manage tasks, add notes, and attach any relevant images or contracts. Cool, right? From the contacts board, keep track of all your prospective buyers and renters. Safely store their contact information along with their wants and needs for their next place. And match potential fits by connecting listings from the Properties board. Okay, open up a contact to get an even deeper and detailed look. From the Emails and Activities app, connect your Gmail or Outlook account to communicate with contacts directly. Schedule activities and set yourself a reminder all from here too. Ready to finalize a seller rental? Simply send them a contract directly from Monday. So in one place, you've got everything you need to manage your listings and do what you do best: sell. A simple tasks board allows your team to manage all of their to-dos from one place. The best part? Agents can quickly filter to show only the tasks relevant to them, even saving it as a board view for quick access. Associate tasks with a given contact or property, and create a simple notification automation to ping an agent once a task's due date arrives. Handle all of your property management needs with these boards. Ongoing maintenance transactions can be tracked and connected to properties you're managing. Best of all, visualize all of your combined data on these dashboards. Every widget you see here can be customized via their respective settings area. Track things like active listings value and average price per square foot with numbers widgets, and commissions data with charts. Need to see more? Add new widgets from here to get your full picture. Have someone who wants to buy in a specific area? See all properties plotted on a map to hone in. Not bad, right? And last thing, we know you're always on the move at open houses, showings, and consultations. With the Monday.com mobile app, work on the go. Manage everything you saw in this video, just on a smaller screen. Need photos for a listing? Do it yourself from your phone. Manage properties and contacts, matching them with the home of their dreams. And that's it. By managing real estate on Monday CRM, streamline your operations into one do-it-all platform. Bye for now.